Hello children, welcome to class 2 computers. So children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 4, that is keyboard. So children, in our previous video we were doing chapter 4, that is keyboard. So children, chapter 4 we had completed. Today we will do book exercise of this chapter. So children, before starting the exercises, let us revise what we did in our previous video. So children, chapter 4 keyboard. After reading the chapter, I know that keyboard is used to type on a computer. So children, keyboard is one of the important part of the computer which is used to type on a computer. As we know children, typing is writing on a computer. Same as we write in the notebook, we call it as writing, and when we write on the computer we call it as typing. So here in self-evaluation, first point is I know that a keyboard is used to type on a computer. So we agree with this point and we will put a tick under this, under agree box. Children, second one is I know that buttons present on a keyboard is called keys. Of course children, small buttons on the keyboard are called keys. Then children, we agree with this point also. We will put a tick under the box agree. Then I have learnt that the keys marked with A to Z are called alphabet keys. Of course children, the keys which are marked with A to Z, these keys are 26 in number and these are called alphabet keys. So you will put, once again you will put a tick under the box agree. Then next one is I know that function keys are marked with F1 to F12. So when we were doing the chapter children, we have studied that there are 12 function keys and each key have one or the other function. These function keys are present on top of the keyboard. सबसे ऊपर वाला जो रो होता है वो function keys का होता है. ये function keys 12 होते हैं नंबर में. इन सभी का कोई ना कोई function होता है. Then children, we agree with this point also. I know that a cursor is a small blinking line on the screen. So we also know that there is a small blinking line on the screen which is known as cursor. And this cursor is the point which shows where to write. Whatever we write from the keyboard get written from the cursor. जहाँ पे cursor होता है वहाँ से भी हम जो भी टाइप करते हैं वो लिखना शुरू होता है. So children, a small blinking line is called cursor. We agree with this point also. So you will put a tick under the agree box. Then I know that arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Of course children, arrow keys are used to move the cursor. There are 4 arrow keys: upward, downward, left and right. If you press upward arrow key children, you will move to the one line above wherever you are. आप एक ऊपर वाली लाइन में चले जाएंगे. इफ़ यू प्रेस डाउनवर्ड की, आप नीचे वाली लाइन में आ जाएंगे. एंड इफ़ यू प्रेस लेफ्ट की चिल्ड्रन, यू विल move one character towards the left, and if you press right key children, you will move one character towards the right. So there are 4 arrow keys and all these are used in moving in all the 4 direction. ऊपर नीचे आगे पीछे, हमें जिस भी डायरेक्शन में जाना है तो हम arrow keys को use करके जा सकते हैं. So we agree with this point also. So these are the points which we have studied and understood in the chapter. So children, I hope whatever we have studied in the chapter you all must have understood. Okay, now so with this children, we have completed the chapter and we have revised also some of the important points. Now we are going to solve the question. As you all have understood the chapter, I hope it will be easier for you to do the exercise or solve the exercise. So children, our first exercise is, let us write here exercise. Our first question is A. Question number A. Question number A is tick the correct answer. T-I-C-K. Tick the correct C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct answer. यहाँ पे हमें सही आंसर को टिक करना है. ठीक है. उसके बाद फर्स्ट है हमारा फर्स्ट आंसर है चिल्ड्रन, क्वेश्चन है चिल्ड्रन. यहाँ पे हमारे पास टोटल वी हैव 4 क्वेश्चंस. अंडर दिस क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, टोटल वी हैव 4 क्वेश्चंस एंड ईच क्वेश्चन इज हैविंग 3 ऑप्शंस. हर क्वेश्चन के साथ हमारे पास 3 ऑप्शन है और तीनों में से एक ऑप्शन सही है. तो जो भी ऑप्शन सही है उसके सामने हम बॉक्स में टिक लगाएंगे. सो चिल्ड्रन, लेट अस स्टार्ट. आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चिल्ड्रन, एज यू नो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज So children, our first question, as you know, is dash keys are used to type words. So children, our first question is dash KEYS keys are used to type words. Are used to type words. अब children, आप सभी जानते हो, all of you know that some of the keys are used for typing words. These keys are alphabet keys. As we know children, alphabet keys को press करके we can write our name, we can write our age, we can write नहीं age नहीं लिख सकते क्योंकि नंबर है, हाँ फिगर में एज लिख सकते हैं, वर्ड्स में एज लिख सकते हैं. तो हम वर्ड्स में एज लिख सकते हैं, अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं, पेरेंट्स का नाम लिख सकते हैं. सो दीज आर द कीज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम A to Z, जिसे हम अल्फाबेट कीज कहते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे डैश कीज आर यूज्ड टू टाइप वर्ड्स एंड दीज कीज आर, लेट अस सी द ऑप्शन चिल्ड्रन. ऑप्शन A इज अल्फाबेट, देन P है ये अल्फाबेट, B में हमारे पास है फंक्शन, B में हमारे पास है फंक्शन एंड C में वी हैव शिफ्ट. सो चिल्ड्रन, you have understood the question children. I hope you all have understood the question. Question is dash keys are used to type words. Type मतलब लिखना, dash keys यानी alphabet keys. So here are alphabet keys. Function key से हम लिखने का काम नहीं करते, शिफ्ट की को भी से भी हम लिखने का काम नहीं करते, और शिफ्ट की को अलग यूज कर अकेला यूज करके भी हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So children, the alphabet keys are used for writing words. So you will put a tick in front of alphabet keys and write here ALPHABET, alphabet keys. So alphabet keys are used to type words. Now second one children, second हमारे पास है. Second question is the dash keys are used to move the cursor. The dash keys are used to move the cursor. So children, the dash KEYS keys are used to move the cursor. CURSE, cursor. Dash keys are used to move the cursor. Up dash keys are used to move the cursor. Here we have three options. First one is A. A may we have arrow, ARROW, arrow. B we have shift, and in C we have function. C में हमारे पास है function, FUNCTION, function. So as you know children, for moving the cursor we need arrow key. मैंने लास्ट में at the end of the chapter I told you arrow keys are used to move the cursor in all the four direction, downwards, upward, left and right. So these arrow keys are 4 in number and all they can move the cursor in all the four directions. So here children, हम arrow key को use करके कर्सर को मूव कर सकते हैं. सो ये यू विल राइट ARROW, arrow. यहाँ पे कैपिटल है लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने सेंटर में लिखा है इसलिए वी विल राइट विद स्मॉल लेटर. सो ARROW, arrow. सो चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट वन इज dash keys are used to type words. Answer is alphabet. Alphabet keys are used to type words. Then second one is the arrow keys are used to move the cursor. The arrow keys are used to move the cursor. Now question number 3. Question number 3 हम करेंगे. Question number 3 is there are, third one, there are THERE, there are dash enter keys, available, available, available on a on a keyboard, board. There are dash enter keys available on a keyboard. Now options are A में हमारे पास है THREE, B में हमारे पास है TWO2 and C में we have 4, FOUR4. So children, as you know, there are dash enter keys available on a keyboard. So can you tell the answer, children? क्या आप आंसर बताएंगे? Yes. So there are 2 enter keys present on the keyboard. जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि हमारे कीबोर्ड पे 2 enter key होते हैं. One key is just beside the alphabet key. मैंने आपको दिखाया भी था, मैंने आपको पिक्चर भी दिखाई थी, आपको स्क्रीन शेयर करके भी दिखाया था कि there are 2 enter keys present on the keyboard. First one is just beside the alphabet keys and the second one is along with the numeric keypad. जो दूसरा वाला है वो numeric keypad के साथ होता है. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास 2 enter key होते हैं. So children, you will put a tick in the box in front of option B, that is 2, and here you will write TWO2. यहाँ पे आप 2 लिखोगे. So there are 2 enter keys available on the keyboard. Answer is 2. You will put a tick in front of 2 and write here TWO2. उसके बाद 4th one, children. In 4th one we have another question. Our next question and the last question of this question is, last part of this question is, the longest key on the keyboard is the dash. The longest key, THE, the LONGEST, longest, KEY, key on the keyboard is dash. So the longest key on the keyboard, let us see the options, children. First option is A, enter key, then we have B, second option is shift key, SHIFT, shift, KEY, key, and the last option is C, that is space bar key. नहीं, क्या करना, longest key, yes, space bar key. So children, the longest key on the keyboard is, what is the answer, children? Can you tell me? Yes, that is option C, that is space bar key. As you know, children, I have told you also that there is a longest key which is present at the bottom of the keyboard. कीबोर्ड के एकदम नीचे, सबसे नीचे बीच में एक लंबी सी की होती है जो अलग से हमें दिखाई दे जाती है क्योंकि वो सबसे बड़ी होती है और थोड़ा बहुत नहीं, जस्ट किसी भी दूसरी बड़ी की का ट्रिपल होती है वो, तो 2 times और 3 times होती है, तो मोर देन 2 times होती है वो. तो चिल्ड्रन, और छोटी की से तो वो बहुत टाइम्स बड़ी होती है. सो इट इज़ द लॉन्गेस्ट की विच इज़ प्रेजेंट एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कीबोर्ड एंड दिस की इज कॉल्ड स्पेस बार की, चिल्ड्रन. And using this key we can give space between 2 words, 2 letters while writing the sentences. अगर letters के बीच में हमें space देना है तो हम इसे दे सकते हैं, या फिर अगर हमें words के बीच में sentence लिखने के टाइम space देना है तो we use this key. And children, it is very important because children, whenever we write a sentence we give space between each and every word, और अगर हम नहीं देंगे तो it will be very difficult to understand whatever we write on the computer. So इसीलिए we need this key. It is very important while writing something on the computer or typing something on a computer. So the longest key on the keyboard is space bar key. So you will put a tick here and you will write here answer space bar. So let us revise, children. Third one is, there are 2 enter keys available on a keyboard. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कीबोर्ड पे 2 enter keys होते हैं. So you will put a tick in front of 2 and write here TWO2. The 4th one, the longest key on the keyboard is enter key, shift key, space bar key. So the longest key on the keyboard is enter key, shift key और space bar key. तो स्पेस बार की के सामने टिक लगा देंगे. स्पेस बार की इज द करेक्ट आंसर. सो विद दिस चिल्ड्रन we have completed question number 1 and I hope you all must have understood. So children, you will do this exercise also in the book as we have not made any notebook in the computer. Now we'll do question number 2. Question number 2 is children. Question number 2 में हमारे पास है. Here we have fill in the blanks. So let us see. B, question number B. FILL fill in the blanks. BLANKS blanks. तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास fill in the blanks है. Now first one is children, as you can see, the word is given in the form of missing letters. Missing letter के form में दिया हुआ है. कुछ एक letters दिए हुए हैं and some are missing that we have to fill and complete the word by reading the sentence or the clue which is given along with the word. So children, first letter नहीं है, second letter L है, as you can see, second letter is L, third letter is not written, then we have H and then we have dash, we have B, E and then we have dash. So children, the sentences, let us read the sentence. Keyboards are used to type words on the computer. Dash keyboards, dash keys are used to write. Dash keys are used to write और हम write नहीं बोलते हैं, type बोलते हैं ना, तो हम type लिखेंगे, type words. Children, can you tell me which keys are used to write words? Which keys are used to write words or type words? Which keys are used to type words? Yes. और यहाँ पे A L alphabet हो जाएगा. A L P H A B E T. This is alphabet. Alphabet keys are used to type words. Alphabet keys are used to type words. Now, children, third one. Sorry, second one. अब second one में हमारे पास है dash keys are used to type numbers. Here we have N, then we have U, and then we have dash, and then we have B dash dash. Number keys are KEYS. Keys are used. Number keys are used. Number keys are used to type, to TYPE type. Number keys are used to type numbers. NUMBERS numbers. Number keys are used to type numbers. अब जो number keys हैं, as we have studied while reading about keyboard, that number keys are used to type numbers. Number keys को use करके हम numbers type कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे the answer is NUMBER. So children, you have to learn the spellings also. आप तभी आंसर्स लिख पाओगे जब आपको स्पेलिंग पता होगी. तो नंबर कीज आर used to type numbers. Number keys are used to type numbers. Numbers की को यूज करके हम numbers लिख सकते हैं. So this is second one children. Now we do third one. Third one children. Third में हमारे पास है word is C dash R S dash R. So is a blinking line on the screen. Dash is a blinking line on the screen. As you know children, is a blinking BLINKIN blinking. Dash is a blinking LINE line on the dash is a blinking line on the screen. SCREEN screen. So children, we have left third one. This one is fourth one. Then we'll do third one again. This is fourth one. 3 छूट गया है, 3 हम वापस कर लेंगे. ये fourth वाला है. So cursor is a blinking line on the screen. Cursor is a blinking line on. So children, cursor is a blinking line on the screen. Now we will write the spelling of cursor. तो कर्सर की स्पेलिंग हम लिखेंगे CURSOR. C is written, U you have to write RSOR. O, U और O हमें लिखना है, बाकी तो लिखा हुआ है. तो हमने यहाँ पे गलती से 4 पहले कर लिया, 3 करेंगे. तो let us read these children. Alphabet keys are used to type words. Alphabet keys are used to type words. Now children, you have to learn the spellings. Alphabet, 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 alphabet. Number keys are used to type numbers. NUMBER, number. Number keys are used to type numbers. CURSOR, cursor is a blinking line on the screen. Cursor is a blinking line on the screen. So children, we will do next one. Now, so third one we had left. हमने third वाला छोड़ दिया था, उसको कर लेते हैं. In third we have children, C is written dash P, then we have dash L, then we have dash dash K, then we have key, dash key is used to type capital or small letter. Dash key is used to type TYPE, type capital or small letter. Dash key is used to type capital or small letter. So can you tell me children, which key is used to write capital or small letter? Which key is used to write capital or small letter? So children, the key starts with C, so it is CAPS, caps lock. CAPSLOCK, caps lock. Caps lock is a key which is used for writing letters with capital or small. So children, अगर आपको letters को small या capital में लिखना है तो you use caps lock. So here this caps lock is lock, can be locked or unlocked. If you want to write with capital, it is unlocked, otherwise it is locked. So children, caps lock is used to type capital or small letters. उसके बाद है fifth one children. हमने 4 कर लिया था, अब हम 5 करेंगे. 5 में हमारे पास है delete, D लिखा है, then we have dash, then L is written, we have dash, then dash and then E. अब ये की जो है key, KEY key is used, this key is used to erase, TO2 eraser, erase. This key is used to erase anything, ANY, any, THING, thing, anything typed on, anything typed on the right, RIGHT, right side, 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 right side of the cursor. So children, which is that key which is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor? मतलब right के साइड, कर्सर के राइट साइड में जो भी चीज़ लिखा है, अगर उसे हमें डिलीट करना है तो हम कौन सी की को यूज़ करेंगे? तो दैट इज डिलीट की, DELETE, डिलीट की. अगर किसी भी चीज़ को जो कि कर्सर के राइट हैंड साइड में है उसको इरेज करना है तो वी यूज डिलीट की. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट वन, सिक्स्थ वन इज, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन है डैश गिव्स, डैश, डैश में हमारे पास है एस है, पी ए डैश, फिर है ई, देन डैश ए एंड देन डैश. गिव्स, GIVES, गिव्स अ BLANK blank space 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 to the right, R-I-G-H-T, right, to right of the character, C-H-A-R-A-T-E-R, character. So sixth one is dash gives a blank space to the right of the character. So what is that, children? It starts with S. So that is space bar. S-P-A-C-E-B-A-R. Space bar gives a blank space to the right of the character. मतलब किसी भी कैरेक्टर, किसी भी वर्ड के राइट साइड में वो स्पेस देता है, और किसी भी कैरेक्टर या किसी भी वर्ड के राइट साइड में स्पेस देता है, इसे हम स्पेस बार कहते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, स्पेस बार गिव्स अ ब्लैंक स्पेस टू द राइट ऑफ द कैरेक्टर. किसी भी कैरेक्टर के राइट की तरफ ये स्पेस देता है. एंड इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट व्हाइल वी राइट समथिंग ऑन अ कंप्यूटर और इन अ नोटबुक. हम नोटबुक में लिखें या कंप्यूटर में लिखें तो हम हर वर्ड के बाद स्पेस देते हैं. एंड कंप्यूटर में फॉर गिविंग अ स्पेस वी नीड स्पेस बार. सो लेट अस रीड चिल्ड्रन. कैप्स लॉक. Key is used to type capital or small letter. Delete key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Space bar gives a blank space to the right of the cursor. So this is question number B. We have completed question number B also. Now children, our next question is question number C. Question number C में we have question and answer. यहाँ पे हमारे पास question answer है. So let us do question answer. So children, all these questions will be done in book itself. इन सभी को हम बुक में ही करेंगे. तो चलिए हम अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन करते हैं. तो लेट अस रीड इट फर्स्टली. पहले हम इसको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो चिल्ड्रन, क्वेश्चन नंबर सी इज आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं विच आर अगेन फ्रॉम द चैप्टर. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, question number 1, as you can see in your copy, in your book, name any two types of keys on the keyboard. So we have studied about different types of keys on the keyboard. As you know, we have studied about many types of keys found on the keyboard. Among these keys children, you have to write only two names. आपको कोई भी दो नाम लिखना है जितने भी कीज को आपने कीबोर्ड के ऊपर पढ़ा है. मतलब these keys are found on those keys which are found on the keyboard. Among those keys children, you will write any two names. For example, we have studied about alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys. बहुत सारे special keys हैं. Symbol keys, arrow keys, delete keys, backspace keys. ये सारे वैसे स्पेशल कीज में आते हैं. तो इनमें से आप किसी भी की दो की का नाम लिखेंगे. तो यू विल राइट अल्फ़ाबेट और नंबर कीज भी लिख सकते हो, और भी कोई भी लिख सकते हो. देन सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज विच की इज यूज टू मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. चिल्ड्रन, इफ यू वांट टू मूव टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, विच की यू नीड. सो चिल्ड्रन, वी नीड एंटर की. अगर हमें नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाना है, किसी पर्टिकुलर लाइन में हम लिख रहे हैं और हमारी लाइन ख़त्म हो गई, हमें नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाना है, या नहीं वैसे भी किसी और रीज़न से भी हमको नेक्स्ट लाइन में जाना है, तो वी प्रेस एंटर की, तो हम दूसरे लाइन में चले जाते हैं. दिस इज आवर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. विच की इज यूज टू मूव द कर्सर टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन. तो कर्सर को हमको नेक्स्ट लाइन में मूव करना है, तो वी यूज एंटर की. उसके बाद नेम द लॉन्गेस्ट की ऑन द कीबोर्ड. वी वेरी वेल नो दैट चिल्ड्रन. द लॉन्गेस्ट की present on the keyboard is space bar key. It is present just at the bottom of the keyboard and it is used to give space between two words or two letters. उसके बाद fourth one, name the two keys used to erase text. So children, as I told you, if you want to erase something written on the screen or the computer children, you can erase in two ways. अगर आपको left cursor के left की तरफ erase करना है तो you will use backspace, and if you want to erase something which is written on the right of the cursor, then you can use delete key. तो आप दो तरह से आप erase या delete कर सकते हो. तो these are the questions which are there in question number C. Answer the following question. So we have discussed these questions. We will be doing these questions in our next class. So children, we have come to the end of this video. Go through the chapter, learn difficult words and learn all the exercises which we have done today and write in your book itself. एंड चिल्ड्रन इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स, क्योंकि स्पेलिंग नहीं आपको आएगी तो आंसर आते हुए भी आप गलत लिखोगे और आपको नंबर नहीं मिलेंगे. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू लर्न द spellings also. So children, go through the spellings and learn the exercises which we have done today. We will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you.